I think the simple answer to that was discussed by June Gashara yesterday, where she was talking about that some of the main challenges towards dealing with the technical aspects of our protocols, our laws, our guidelines, and so on. The challenge sometimes is people, is the fact that people need to come together, they need to have a conversation, they need to, in some cases, change their perspectives and so on. I think that the advocacy that we have done has come a long way, but we're still a ways to go because of the fact that a lot of the different stakeholders that we speak to, when we started, for example, we started just by speaking to civil society organizations and saying, hey, what do you think about this? And many of them just could not see beyond the fact that I'm Ugandan or I am Kenyan, and this is how our environment is or our context is. And then as we went on, people begin to see that the contexts within those countries are not very different. I think at one point there was even a discussion that our borders are artificial. They were manufactured by human beings, and therefore we are still the same people, and our contexts are not that different. I have spent time here in Rwanda and realized that a lot of the contexts here in Rwanda and far away in Kilifi, very much the same. And so if we can spend time and have better conversations and change perspectives so that we can begin to talk to each other, I think it will move faster. And so that's part of the reason why we are encouraging a lot of conversation. We've had multiple conversations this year with government officials where we have done things like even worked on the technical front with them just to get them to realize when they have done a data maturity assessment. We have a data maturity assessment kit that we developed. And when we have done that data maturity assessment with different government officials, then they began to realize that actually our situation is not very different. Our contexts are not that different. And if we do that, then people then change their mindset enough to begin to harmonize and to begin to see themselves as the same. If people see themselves as the same, then it becomes easy to make the technical work harmonized.